Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. 3. The amount of rainfall in inches last month recorded by several counties was 1.4, 1.2, 0.2, 0.30, 2.1, 2.4, 1.6, and 2.3 inches respectively. 4. The height, in feet, of a group of trees was 25, 29, 23, 27, 27, 30, 29, 25, 27, and 21 feet respectively. The table includes the following data. For the highest temperature recorded each month from January to December by a city, the mean, median, modes, and range are given. The temperatures are 57, 60, 65, 76, 83, 86, 90, 87, 33, 72, 55. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.